REIT, or Real Estate Investment Trust, is a type of investment vehicle that allows individuals to invest in a professionally managed portfolio of real estate assets such as commercial properties, apartment buildings, and other types of real estate. REITs are designed to provide investors with regular income and the potential for long-term capital appreciation. There are two main types of REITs. Equity REITs, these REITs own and operate income-producing real estate, such as office buildings, shopping centers, and apartment buildings, and their income comes primarily from rent. Mortgage REITs, these REITs invest in mortgages and mortgage-backed securities, and their income comes primarily from the interest earned on these investments. REITs are required to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders as dividends, which makes them an attractive option for investors looking for a steady stream of income. Additionally, REITs are also considered as a more liquid form of real estate investment, as it allows individuals to buy and sell shares in the trust on a stock exchange, just like a common stock. It's important to note that REITs are subject to the same risks and returns as other types of investments, including interest rate risk, credit risk, and the risk of fluctuating real estate values. It's important to consult with a financial advisor or professional for guidance on how REITs may fit into your overall investment strategy.